What's up, Chemical Guys family, and welcome to Quick Detailers 101. Today we're going to be explaining all the differences between our quick detailers and helping you find the perfect one for your ride. So we're going to start off with Speed Wipe. Now we love using Speed Wipe around here because you can use it on virtually all exterior surfaces, whether it be your paint, glass, chrome, headlights, wheels, exhaust tips. This is going to work out great for maintenance in between washes. Spray on your vehicle in between a wash when your vehicle is just lightly dusty, maybe you have some bird droppings on there that you want to go ahead and take care of, or you maybe just want to rejuvenate your paint, give it that nice little showroom touch whenever you're going to a car show. Speed Wipe is going to be the perfect product for you. So all you need to do is simply spray it on the surface, wipe it down, you're good to go. And the beauty about Speed Wipe is that it has no built-in wax, so you don't have any kind of residue or streaks left behind. So it's a simple spray and wipe solution and you're all good to go. The next product that we have is our synthetic quick detailer. Now this right here is a polymer-based synthetic gloss enhancing quick detailer, and the beauty about this product is that it contains an anti-static film. So not only does it clean your paint between washes from light dust, debris, fingerprints, and bird droppings, but it also has an anti-static property that will actually help repel the amount of dust that clings to your vehicle. So for those of you guys out there who have trouble with dust and pollen, this is going to be a spectacular product to go ahead and just top off your vehicle with. That way you prevent that stuff from sticking, keeping your car cleaner for longer. The next product in our lineup is our P40 Quick Detailer and Spray Wax. Now this product, unlike Speed Wipe or synthetic, actually does contain a carnauba-based wax. So it combines a quick detailer and a wax into one product. Now you may be asking, what's the point of that? And I'll tell you why. The reason for this product is that we wanted to create a product that not only was safe to, allow you to wipe away dirt, dust, debris, and fingerprints from your vehicle, but also leave behind a nice little layer of wax shine and wax protection. So unlike these two, this one will actually leave more of a brighter shine and a more of a natural shine because it has that natural carnauba oils infused with it, and it also protects your paint from those harsh UV rays. Moving on, we also have our VO7 hybrid quick detailer and spray sealant. So unlike our P40, which has an infused spray wax, VO7 has an infused sealant formula. So as you guys know, sealants, they're synthetic. They're designed to have the most durable layer of protection possible. Now it does have synthetic gloss enhancers, unlike P40, which has natural carnauba. So this is going to give you more of a crisp shine and more of a durable layer of protection. So for those of you guys out there who, you want to maintain your coat of protection, whether you have a wax or a sealant on your paintwork or even a ceramic coating, you can actually use this to kind of boost the protective properties of those. So it's going to boost the, the beading whenever you're washing your car. It's going to boost the amount of, UV rays that actually penetrate the surface of your vehicle and deflect that stuff. And it's really just going to give it an ultimate wet shine finish. And that's the beauty about our VO7, that it's a hybrid formula. So not only does it protect, but it also just gives it that jaw-dropping shine. Moving on to one of our newest products, which is our Lucent Spray Shine. Lucent is a synthetic polymer wax. So this one right here, it's more so intended for the purpose of shine. So for all you shine fanatics out there, Lucent is going to be an incredible product to just really give your paint that nice showroom finish shine. So if you have your vehicle parked, maybe in the showroom or in your garage all the time and it's very lightly dusty, you can use this product to give your paint that intense clarity and deep wet reflection that you guys all know and love. Moving on to some more specialized type of quick detailers for different surfaces, we have a product like Wrap Detailer. Wrap Detailer, as you guys can probably figure out, is for wraps. But not only any wrap, it's more so intended for smooth, glossy wraps. So things like clear bras, PPF, vinyl graphics. This is going to work out great because this is safe to use on all those surfaces, and not only is it going to clean it, but it's also going to shine it and protect it. So this is going to be the best one to go with if you have any of those kind of special graphics that people are using on their vehicles nowadays, or maybe you have a vehicle that is treated with a paint protection film, like on your front end, or maybe the entire vehicle. This is going to work out great to just really rejuvenate that wrap, keep it looking nice and fresh, and protect it from those harsh UV rays, because the last thing that you want to worry about is your wrap being damaged by the harsh UV rays, because it's going to dry it out, it's going to discolor it, and it's probably not going to last very long if you don't maintain it properly. So Wrap Detailer, for all you wrap guys out there, or girls, go ahead and pick this up today. I know you guys may be asking, what if I have a matte wrap? And that brings us to our next product, which is our Meticulous Matte Detailer, which, as you guys can probably figure out, is going to work out great for matte and satin finishes, whether it's a clear bra, vinyl graphic, or PPF film. This is going to work out great to just maintain the matte look of your matte or satin finish. So this does not contain any gloss enhancers. It's going to keep your matte and satin looking the way it is without any kind of unwanted gloss or shine. And last but not least, we have our HydroSpeed ceramic quick detailer. So for those of you guys out there who have a ceramic or protective coating on your vehicle, HydroSpeed, as you can imagine, is going to be the best for your vehicle because this is going to rejuvenate the SiO2 properties of your coating on your vehicle. It's going to boost that super intense hyperactive water beading, that super durable UV protection. And the beauty about this product is that you actually don't even need a ceramic to use it. So if you have a ceramic coating on your vehicle, awesome. Use this to maintain it. If you don't and you want to add some kind of ceramic protection and shine to your vehicle, you can still use this on your vehicle to just give it that nice touch of ceramic shine and protection. And the beauty about this product is that you can use it on basically everything. Paint, glass, chrome, wheels, headlights, taillights, tailpipes, you name it. This is going to work out phenomenally to just give your paint that intense hyperactive shine and protection. And that's going to go ahead and wrap it up for our Quick Detailers 101 video. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure to give us a huge like. Make sure to comment down below right now which 101 video we should make next. And if you guys haven't checked out our other 101 videos, make sure to check them out. We have them on soaps, wheel cleaners, we have tire shine and dressing, so make sure to go and check them out in the description down below. If you guys want to pick up any of these products, they're going to be also listed in the description down below and in the pinned comment. And as always, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys. We'll see you guys next time.